Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to draw a pencil sketch of Neymar Jr. This will be a complete step-by-step tutorial, so anyone can draw this by following my methods. The link of this reference photo is given in the description of this video. You can download it from there. Now let's start the tutorial. So first of all, you need to draw a rectangular grid like this. This is a 5x5 grid, means there are 5 rows and 5 columns. The size of each square is 2 centimeters, as you can see. And this is an A4 size paper. So I have taken the size of the boxes as 2 centimeter. If your paper is A3 size, you can take 3 centimeter for each square. Just make sure there is equal amount of space above the grid and below the grid. Now let's start the drawing process. In the second row, we will draw the eyes and eyebrows. So let's begin with that. Similarly, we will draw the second eyebrow and eye. Now we can draw the nose. As this is just a rough outline, we will make the proper defined shape when we do the shading. Now we can draw the outline of the lips. Here we can draw the rough outlines of the mustache and beard. Also guys, I have an information for you. I have made a complete pencil sketching course, a detailed course for beginners. The link can be found in the description of this video. In that course, anybody can learn pencil sketching right from the start up to hyperrealism level. The course is in the form of videos, complete detailed step-by-step planned. It's a planned course. So anybody can watch it after enrolling at any time according to their convenience. It's not like the classes will be at a specific time on a specific date. Once you enroll to the course, you can watch the videos anytime. And after completion of the course, you will also get a certificate. In that course, I have taught each and everything in detail, right from the use of materials to the proper techniques we use for shading, for drawing outlining, for everything related to the sketching. So check out the link in the description of this video and enroll to the course. Let's draw the outline of the ears, then we'll complete the hair and neck. So the outline process is completed. Now we can just erase the grid lines and later we will do the shading. So guys, the outline process has been completed. Also, you can find the links of my materials in the description. So basically you can find the reference photo in the description of the video, my pencil sketching course link in the description, and also the links for the tools which I use. Follow all the steps properly and you can also draw the perfect outline of this photo like this. I will complete this sketch and I will upload the shading video very soon. Definitely I will upload. Last time I could not upload shading video of Neymar Jr sketch, but this time I will definitely upload it. So wait for that video for the shading part. Till then you can draw the outline and watch my other videos. Subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials and many other art videos. Thank you so much for watching.